Adding inventory in Odoo helps manage stock levels, track products, and streamline warehouse operations. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. Log into Odoo. Access your Odoo instance and open the inventory module. Enable product tracking. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and enable features like multi-location, batch tracking, or lots, depending on your business needs. Click Save. Create a product. Navigate to Products, and click Create. Fill in the product name. Set the product type to storable product. Add details like sales price, cost, and internal reference. Under the Inventory tab, define tracking, warehouse routes, and packaging if needed. Update stock quantities. Go to Inventory, Operations, Inventory Adjustments. Click Create, select the product, location, and enter the actual quantity on hand. Click Start Inventory, make adjustments, and then validate to apply changes. Import in bulk. Use the import feature to upload inventory data in bulk.